Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Trading with Nimve. Today we are going to place our first Forex order to make some profit. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let us place our first trade in MT4. I am going to select one of my favorite currency pair, EURUSD, and we can open the chart by clicking on the chart window. We will analyze the EURUSD chart on 4-hour timeframe to determine its long-term price direction. We'll look for trends, support and resistance levels, and use technical indicators to confirm our analysis. This will help us identify potential trading opportunities. In future videos, I will provide more detailed explanation of the indicators that I have used in this video. Based on the current trend direction, it appears that the market is moving upwards. To capitalize on this trend, we will need to look at shorter time periods to identify potential entry points for our first order. Indicators on the 5-minute chart are signaling a buy opportunity for EURUSD. Based on our analysis, I have decided to enter a long position on EURUSD with a lot size of 0.01. To manage our risk and maximize potential profits, I will be setting up the stop loss and take profit levels according to the indicator. Using the MT4 platform, it's easy to place and adjust these levels as needed. I really like this feature. After conducting analysis on the 15-minute chart, it seems that we can potentially move our take profit level higher. This would allow us to take advantage of the upward trend in the market and potentially increase our profits. At this point, we have entered a long position on EUR/USD with a lot size of 0.01 and have set our stop loss and take profit levels accordingly. Now, we need to wait and monitor the price movement to see if our trade will be successful. It is important to exercise patience and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term price movements. We should stick to our trading plan and only make adjustments based on thorough analysis of market conditions. By carefully monitoring market conditions and exercising patience, we can make informed trading decisions and potentially achieve our trading goals. Based on our analysis, I believe that there may be a potential pullback in the market, which would present a second opportunity to enter a long position on EURUSD. However, it's important to note that market conditions can be unpredictable and we should always base our decisions on thorough analysis and careful risk management. We should also consider factors such as news events and economic data releases that can impact market volatility and potentially affect our trades. We will discuss these factors in our future videos. By closely monitoring market conditions and being prepared to adjust our trading plan based on new information, we can potentially take advantage of future trading opportunities. Based on the analysis of the market indicators, I have determined that it may be beneficial to adjust our stop loss level to minimize potential losses in the event that the market moves downwards. By closely monitoring market conditions and adjusting our stop loss level accordingly, we can protect ourselves against unexpected losses while still maintaining a potential for profit. In addition to our current position, I am also preparing to place a buy stop order to take advantage of a potential pullback in the market. By using a buy stop order, we can enter the market at a predetermined price point and potentially capture gains as the market moves upwards. It is important to note that any new trading decisions, such as placing a buy stop order, should be made with careful consideration and based on thorough analysis of market conditions. We should also ensure that our lot size is appropriate for our trading strategy and risk management goals. Our buy stop order has been successfully executed, and we now have a second position in the market. As with our first position, we need to set appropriate stop loss and take profit levels to manage our risk and maximize our potential for profit. In this case, I have decided to use the same stop loss and take profit values as our previous order. By maintaining consistency in our trading strategy and risk management approach, we can potentially achieve more reliable trading outcomes and reduce the impact of market fluctuations. Based on our analysis of the market conditions, it appears that the market is currently moving upwards, and we have reason to believe that the price may reach our target level. Of course, it's important to remember that market conditions can change quickly and unexpected events can impact the market's movement. It's important to continue to closely monitor market conditions and adjust our trading plan as needed to manage our risk and maximize our potential for profit. As we continue to monitor the market conditions, our indicators are showing another support level that may impact the movement of the market. In response to this new information, we have decided to adjust our stop losses for both of our long positions. As the market continues to move upwards, we are getting closer and closer to our take profit area. This is a promising development and may indicate that our trading strategy is performing well. As traders, it's important to remain patient and avoid making impulsive decisions in response to market movements. While it can be tempting to panic and take unnecessary action, this can often lead to poor trading outcomes and unnecessary losses. Instead, we must remain calm and focused on our trading strategy. By utilizing our analysis and risk management strategies, we can make informed trading decisions that are based on sound logic and analysis rather than emotion. We can see that the price is now moving in the direction of our target. This is a positive development and may indicate that our trading strategy is performing well. As traders, it is important to rely on a variety of technical indicators and analysis tools to inform our trading decisions. When all of the selected indicators align with our decision, it can provide us with greater confidence in our trading strategy and potential for success. However, it is important to note that no trading strategy is foolproof and unexpected market events can impact the movement of the market. Therefore, it is essential to remain vigilant and continually assess market conditions to ensure that we are making informed trading decisions and effectively managing our risk. It is important to establish clear trading goals and targets to help inform our decision-making process. In this case, our target is approximately 25 pips from our first order. By setting a clear target, we can help to mitigate the potential for emotional decision-making and instead rely on our trading strategy and analysis tools to guide our actions. However, the market can be unpredictable and unexpected events can impact the movement of the market. Establishing clear trading goals and maintaining a disciplined approach to trading, we can potentially achieve success and build a sustainable trading strategy over time. It is essential to focus on the number of pips gained or lost in a trade, rather than just the dollar amount. By prioritizing pip count, we can better evaluate the effectiveness of our trading strategies over time and make more informed decisions about our trades. The price has successfully reached our target, resulting in a gain of 25 pips or $3.92 for both of our orders. While it is important to track the dollar amount gained or lost in a trade, we must also consider the number of pips obtained to evaluate the effectiveness of our strategy. It is crucial to continue to monitor the market and make informed decisions about our trades, considering factors such as market conditions, trend analysis, and risk management strategies. I look forward to sharing more of my trading insights and strategies with you in future videos. One technique that I will be introducing is my proprietary profit trailing system, which I have developed and used over time. This system can be used in combination with manual trades, as well as with trading robots, to help maximize profits and minimize losses. By incorporating a profit trailing system into our trading strategies, we can potentially achieve greater success in the markets and improve our overall profitability. So stay tuned for future videos where I will dive deeper into this system and share additional tips and strategies for successful trading. In the next video, I will be discussing some basic indicators with a focus on moving averages. We will be placing some orders and observing how they behave with the moving average indicator. Additionally, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using the moving average indicator. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel, Trading with Nimve, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until the next video, stay hopeful.